Hello everyone and welcome back to Skippy Segments. I want to show you real quick. These are just some pictures I just took. So just show you what I do to edit them. I'm going to share it to an app, and then I'm just going to come in and adjust the brightness on it. Let's see. Let's get it up here where you can see it. This is like a goddess, princess, fairy, whatever. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll bring it out though a little bit and look. Here's all I do most of the time. I just turn the brightness down just like that, like you're seeing on the screen, and then voila, and then I can trick it out a little bit more. I'll say, okay, that's good, so let's give me a little contrast, bump it up a little bit more, then let's see, exposure, turn it up a little bit. Alright, let's see what we have. There you go. Simple as that. Goddess, High Priestess, Isis, Tiamat, Elemental, Machinery, Etheric, Dimensional, whatever you choose to call whatever it is you believe in. Know that our government has either obtained something they truly are in trouble having, or the divine is here because of everything that's went on. So keep in mind, I just wanted to show you what I do to the pictures and how they come out. Enjoy the video. Damn, Skippy!